Hello, we are here with the video to categorize the bank transactions on the basis of this text. We have applied this function in Excel as well. Now this time we are applying in the Google Sheet to see if that's the same function that we use in the Excel is working in the Google Sheet or not. Let's check it. So the objective is same. Look for this search text and this description and bring the category from this column to the category column. Index function, let's select from here down arrow, then press F4 to freeze it, column, comma, and then the match function, match element, and the match function we will add true as number, and then search for the text. Which text we are searching for? This is the text we are searching for, and the text to search, we need to search on this data. Double parenthesis, comma, then we need to add 0, so we're looking for the exact match, then hit enter. It is working, but let's check if there's no text here. It's giving us a not applicable error. We need to sort this one. IFNA, and then at the end you can add any text, but I will add and categorize. Then you need to hit the double click on the corner, and here we go. We have applied the same trick that we use in the Excel, and let's work here as well. Thank you for watching.